Today on Trail Preview Thursdays, I'm going to be previewing Sticky Icky and Spider Mountain Bike Park. Sticky Icky is a single black diamond, almost kind of techie flow trail that is about half a mile long, and it's pretty fun to do. It is lift served like everything at Spider Mountain. It ends on the park road, then you just ride back to get back to the lift. The trail starts off pretty mellow for the first like 300 feet, and then it takes a sharp left, and then there's like a little rock garden. And if you can't really do that, then you probably shouldn't continue on the trail. And then it goes down, crosses the gravel road, and then you'll see the signs. It's pretty easy to follow. If you enjoy tech and flow, this trail is definitely probably for you. It leans definitely more on the tech side, although there is like some kind of techie flow with it. This is a really fun trail, so let's drop in. And that is Sticky Icky. If you enjoyed this trail preview, let me know in the comment section down below and give this video a like. More trail previews come out every Thursday, so make sure you hit subscribe down below so you don't miss any. Check out my full Spider Mountain video right here. I'll see you over there.